Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. And in this video I'm going to be explaining to you how you can quickly grow a small account, and preferably with let's say you have a capital of $30 to $50. So if you have a small capital, this is the right video for you, and I'll advise that you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be giving you a lovely and unavoidable way that you can actually maximize your trading. I'm going to give you a strategy that you're going to use to maximize your trading. So if you're new to this channel, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell button so that you can get notifications whenever videos like this are created. And also endeavor to share this video with your friends. You can share my channel with your friends, and it's always good if you grow and other people grow alongside with you. So do your friends, your loved ones a favor and share this video with them. And if you have any questions at the end of this video, please also put in the comment section below. Now, I remain your guy Leke, Cosby Finance, and it's always lovely if you guys reach out to me for anything. Just let me know where you're having hitches or glitches, and I will certainly respond to you. Now today we want to actually expatiate properly on the nitty-gritties, the things that actually are needful for you to be successful as a trader. And the truth is, a lot of persons have actually asked questions on this regard, and it's funny how we learn a lot of strategies, we learn a lot of ways that we could actually make money, but on the long run we find out that things don't add up, things don't work out, and there are some little things that we omit and we overlook, and it's because we're focusing basically just on the money. We're not focusing on the things that actually make the money grow. So I'll just highlight a few things for us in this video, and I'll be showing you some few things, and do not forget that at the end I will tell you how you could actually make everything work out for you. Okay, quickly, I don't want this video to be lengthy, I want it to be as brief as possible, so I'm just gonna go straight to the nitty-gritties. Okay, now the first thing is this: you basically need, for number one, is the proper lot size. Yes, they usually say that yes, you should use good risk management, blah blah blah. I want to grow my money quick, I want to be rich, I want to make a lot of money, I want to buy a house, I want to buy a car, I want to move out of my apartment, I want to pay my mortgage. All that is story. As long as you don't do the right things, you certainly won't get the right results. It's as simple as ABC. The market is no respecter of persons. The market doesn't know who you are. The market doesn't want to know what you've been through. The market doesn't want to know your desires. All the market knows is follow through. That's it. If you have a capital of $30, for instance, and you're using a lot size on a volatility 75 market, and using a lot size of 0.1, then I think you're just about to let go of that your capital without stress, bro. I'm telling you, without stress, because it's crazy. How can you use a lot size of 0.01 for one of the most volatile markets in the world? It's crazy, very crazy. Now the thing is, for volatility 75, the lowest lot size is 0.01. Now with this, if you do this, you could actually place your entry at the right spot. Sometimes if you place your entry at the wrong spot, with this it might not have a much hit on your account. But if you wait for a pullback and enter at the pullback, for instance, just look at this. Now the market went down. Let's assume that you enter the market around here. So assume you enter the market around here. You missed this top entry, enter the market around here, let's say here. Now the next thing is you wait for this pullback. When this pullback happens, then you place another entry right here with the same smallest lot size. With the same smallest lot size you used to place the first entry. Now when you enter this market, you see that it still goes your way. As long as the analysis is correct, it still goes your way. So you make money on the two entries. So now you are not just having 0.001, it's now 0.001 times 2, which is now 0.002. So you'll be making times 2 of the profit you're supposed to make once, and you can keep adding more entries as the price moves down. You can add another entry here, you can add another entry here, so you end up having 4 entries. That's 0.004 without stress. This is how you can actually grow your account consistently without having much hit on your account. But when you want to grow a $30 account and you're using lot sizes that are big and your entries are not sniper entries, you're going to get a hit that you won't recover from. That's it. So it's always nice that when you're trying to grow a small dollar account, always use the smallest lot size. Always use the smallest lot size. Then as the market goes in your direction, then you begin to add more entries. You begin to add more entries. In that way, you'll be able to make more and also protect your account from being blown out. Okay, that's that. Now the next is use smaller time frames. Yes, now you can't be trading a $30 account and be placing your trade on a 4-hour. It's suicidal, extremely suicidal, because the ranges of the range of a 4-hour chart is far larger than a 1 minute or a 5 minute chart. So if you have a small account, let's say an account, at least any account lesser than $100 is a small account, and I would advise that you stick to your 1 minute, your 5 minutes, the 15 minutes charts, especially when you're dealing with the volatility indices. If you're dealing with Forex, you have no problem. You could work with the 1 hour chart, because the Forex market is not as volatile as the volatility indices market. You're trading boom and crash, trading volatility 75, volatility 50, 100, which as long as the volatility indices, make sure you use the smallest lot size so that you don't wipe out your account. Then as the trade begin to move in your direction, then you can add new positions. Now lastly, the next thing is you can use at least 2 confirmations. This is very necessary. Now if you remember the strategy I taught you guys here, which is this, which we usually call strategy that we usually call the endpoint Ichimoku strategy. You notice that I didn't only teach you how to know the endpoint, but I also taught you how to confirm if the endpoint is real, if it's something you should follow. And it's very simple. Now look at this. Just look at this now. I told you that when you see your Ichimoku drop to the last point here, and you see the moving averages, the two moving averages also drop to the last point here, the next thing you want to do is to wait for this your support indicator to show up. Once the support indicator shows up, you can see this green it shows the support. That means there's hit verified support. You can see verified support here. Also, you don't just enter just like that's the second confirmation. Now the third confirmation again is you don't just enter just like that. You want to enter when there's a lot of discount in the market, because you're looking to buy in this market. So you want to wait for your stochastic to drop back to the 20 region or below the 20 region. So in that case, you got an exhaustion in the market, from pulling back. That's a lot of discount for you. Then if you enter the market around here, which is here, simple, then you ride the wave upwards here, you make your profit and you get out of the market. So it actually makes life easy for you when you have at least two confirmations. It makes life very easy for you. It's very, very important. So from today, it's best that when you trade in, make sure that you have at least two confirmations, because it will help your trading to be more successful. So now here comes my bonus for the day. Now I'll be having a live session with you guys, and I want the live session to be impactful. It's going to be straightforward. I'm not going to beat around the bush. I'm going to be explaining a new strategy to you, and I'm going to be showing you how you can actually maximize the strategy and be profitable. And I'll also teach you how you can actually use the strategy to grow a very small account. Yes, because I know that a lot of persons don't really have the large capital to start. So I'm going to be showing you how you can use this money to use the strategy to grow a small account. Let's say an account of $20, $30, $50, at least between $10 to $50 account. This strategy will help you to grow it without stress. So do not forget to join the live session, and if you want the link, just check below. You will see I'll be dropping the link directly in the description below. So make sure that you be a part of this tutorial, this webinar, and I'm very sure that you're gonna enjoy it. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button, so you get notifications whenever tutorials and videos like this have been uploaded. And do not forget to also drop your comment if you have questions, and if you have anything bugging your mind, I would definitely reach out to you. So I remain your boy Licky, Cosby Finance, and I'll see you in the webinar tomorrow. Take care and bye for now.